Hello guys, so it's morning time actually. So I joined the Hello Kitty with the outfit. Actually, I wake up kanina. Actually, I take it a bath today. Then I joined the Hello Kitty outfit trend. Actually, that's why I say good morning to you at the text. I still uploading it and I'm joining now Peppa Pig because of my little sister. So this is my mom's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Right? And it's so cute. And this is like, so this is my Peppa Pig. It's so cute. Such a cutie. Do you like the color that? There you go. Then the bird Baho?
Ito.
Sorry na. Drawing nga naman si Iti siyang Papa Pig. Charina! Gusto niya na ako ni Charina sa isip kong try na mag-drawing ka lang, Papa Pig. No, Iti Siyam. Charina, bigay mo yan kay Iti Siyam kung tapos ka na, okay?
Yes. Yes.
This is a puppy goosey doors. The wash with. This is friends. Mama. Charina, mag-ubos na yung anong pangagay. Normal pati yan na speed. No, this is XXX. Ano XXX? Moo, moo, Papa Pig. Moo, moo, Papa Pig. Big, big. Ah, magana yung time!
Big, big,